it's Neil, and welcome to my printing area. Hopefully my microphone is working. I don't know. If not, it's working through there, so hopefully it'll record. But check this out. This is Cards versus Reality. So if you've played a Card Against Humanity, which is fun and adult, this is a children's version of the same thing. It's for ages 6+, players 4 to 10, and it's a hilarious fill-in-the-blank kids party game. So we're going to open this thing up and check it out. And then maybe we'll get to play it soon too. So let's see. Oh, here's the barcode and stuff for it. If you guys, I don't know if you can scan it to do anything, but that's what it is. And I got it from Amazon. The game instructions are found under the cards. So if you're looking at this trying to figure out how to play, look under the cards. The instructions are there. So let's see what we got here. It's a heavy box. It's a heavy-duty box, man. Okay. Limited time offer. Get 10 cards by sharing your experience. I don't think I need any more cards, but let's see what these cards are. On the box, I think it said something, but I'm going to open it up here, take out the cards, and see if I can do it without them all falling. Oh, there's the instructions right on the box. Let me put these cards into the top instead. Okay, so here we go. That's the instructions right there. So they're actually printed on the box. So you can screenshot this and zoom in or whatever you need to do, pause it and read them. But basically, so there's the blue question cards, and then the other cards that people have to answer it with. So I guess by looking at it, you can see, I guess these are blue. Oh, blue question cards. Okay. So let's say a question here. Oh, no, I guess those are answers. Oh, these are the blue question cards. They have blue on the outside of it here. So let's see. Let's just find. I'm just going to take one of these ones here. Let me put this back here. And it says, what upsets you most? And then let's say I had these answers here. And the answers could be evil, expired ham sandwich, extended car warranty salesman, fake cupcakes, or fake money. So which one, what does it say? Which one upsets me most? Mine would probably be an expired ham sandwich due to the fact that, one, it's expired, and two, ham is disgusting and I don't eat pig. So that would be mine that upsets me most. So there we go. So that's kind of the questions. I mean, I can show you guys another question here. Which ones are the blue ones here? Let's see if there's one with a blank. There's some of these that would be pretty good for questions, but here, let's just do this one here. This one says, blank is the fastest runner. Blank is the fastest runner. And now let's get a couple of new answers here, and we'll see. It says, different color socks is the fastest runner. I guess that might make you a fast runner. A dirty diaper. A doorman. Oh, that's actually a person. And Dracula. Oh, yeah, I would say Dracula. Probably when the sun comes up, he's the one who goes the fastest. So, but there you go. So it's kind of a kid's version of Cards Against Humanity if you've played that. Pretty fun. And that's it. So I like it. I'm going to play this one soon. It's actually a lot more appropriate than the other ones. I can play them with various children instead of just adult children. So there we go. I like it. Thumbs up. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. So there we go. That's why you can tell the difference. This one's mostly blue and this one's mostly white. I was going to say which one's the blue card, but I guess that's what it is. So there we go. So thanks a lot, and talk to y'all soon. Bye.